Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting ripe strawberries that are firm and bright red. Choose berries about 1:1. 5 inches diameter for even coating. Rinse and dry strawberries thoroughly, leaving stems intact, then pat them completely dry with paper towels to avoid chocolate seizing. Remove any leaves but keep the stem for easy dipping. Line a tray with parchment paper and chill the tray briefly. Chill strawberries for 15 minutes before dipping to help the chocolate set and prevent melting when you coat them. Measure 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate and 2 tablespoons coconut oil for a smooth, shiny coating. Melt 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate with 2 tablespoons coconut oil over low heat in a double boiler, or use 30-second microwave bursts at 50% power, stirring between bursts. Stir until smooth and glossy, aiming for about 115 degrees F maximum. Avoid seizing by keeping heat low and stirring constantly. If the mixture cools and thickens, add 1 teaspoon more coconut oil at a time until pourable. Do not overheat or add water. Hold each strawberry by the stem and dip 2/3 into chocolate, letting excess drip back into the bowl. Rotate for an even coat. Use a fork or dipping tool and tap lightly on the bowl edge to remove drips, then set each berry on parchment paper spaced at least 1 inch apart. Place dipped berries on parchment and optionally sprinkle 1 teaspoon shredded coconut, finely chopped nuts, or drizzle contrasting chocolate. Refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes until chocolate firms, then serve at room temperature within 2 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.